Hello, you're welcome. In our previous class, we discussed arithmetic progression and we solved a particular problem. So today, this is question 2, and the question asks us to find the 12th term of an AP, that is arithmetic progression, or we call it linear sequence of the form. We have this sequence in this form. So now here, we don't need to waste much of our time. I told you that the first number on the list is our A, which is the first term. A is what? Is 7. And I told you that we always have common difference. That is our D. That is common difference D is always, you can pick this by this. That is, the formula is Tn plus 1, okay, minus Tn. That's the formula. That is, if we have for n stand from where? From 1. Are you getting it now? So it means that our D is going to be T1 plus 1, we have 2 minus T1. Are you getting it? So you can say, if n is equal to 2 now, you can say T3 minus T2. You can take this one minus this. You are still going to get the same thing. That's what I'm saying. So from there, what is our T2? If you want to get our D, T2 is this. 6 whole number 1 over 4. So let's write this in mixed number, in improper. 4 times this, we have 24. Then plus 1, we have 25 over what? Over 4 minus 7. So let us simplify this one. So here, we're going to have 4 in 4, that is 1. 1 times 25, we have 25. Take away 1 in 4, that is 4. 4 times this, we have 28. So that is telling us that we are going to have what? We're going to have minus what? We're going to have minus 3 over 4. So that's what we're going to have. Our D is going to be minus 3 over 4. Now, let's now use the formula. You should recall that we have the formula Tn equal to A plus into bracket n minus 1 D. All right, so this is the formula because we are looking for T12. And from there, that is telling us that our n is what? Our n is 12. Anywhere you see n, put 12. A is getting to be 7 plus n is 12, take away 1. And our D is minus 3 over what? Over 4. Are you getting it? So the next thing we're going to do from here, we're going to have what? We're going to have T12 will now be 7 plus 12, take away this, we have 11, then minus 3 over what? Over 4. So from there, what are we going to do? We're going to have this to be 7, all right, minus plus times minus, we have minus 11 times this, we have 33, then all over 4. So from there, now, what is the LCM? The LCM is 4. So 1 in 4, that is what? 4. 4 times this, we have 28. Then take away 4 in 4, 1 times this, we have what? We have 33. So our result is going to be minus 5. 28 minus 33 will give us minus 5 over 4. So therefore, what we are going to have at T12, that will be what? Minus 5 over 4. That is it. If you find the class very interesting, kindly share to your friends so they can learn more. Bye.